you a lovely, lovely lady who's actually responsible for putting this entire evening together. She's been working tirelessly days, nights, 24/7. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the member Khushi Governing Board, Ravani Gill. Ravani, can you just come on the stage and take a bow? She's very shy. I'm so sorry, people. I can't blame it on her. I told her to take a couple of drinks, just pour it down her gullet, which will make her more relaxed and comfortable. But I don't know. People don't take good advice when it's given to them. So what do you do about it? Anyhow. Well, we would like to extend a very warm welcome to Khushi's Arts Loot, to all of you present out here. You have supported Khushi and all our projects over the years. We are delighted